What's going on YouTube? Markel here, back with another video. So just give you guys a follow-up on my X-Tray MageSafe wallet and how it's been holding up since I've had it. I forgot when I got it. I'll put the date up here somewhere so you guys can see the date. But so far so good. It's still holding up pretty strong. I will say though, if you add some cards to this, right? Go this way so you don't see anything. If you do add some cards to this, and it's like right now I have 3 on this side, I got 1 and a little bit of cash on this side. But whatever you decide to put in here, it's got to stay that way, because if you put 3 cards and then you take 1 out and then you just want to have 2, this does not stretch back to where 2 cards would fit. It will now just stay where 3 cards go in there, which is fine for me because I normally take 3 cards with me, one of which is just a membership to get in somewhere. But that's the way this will stay. So just know that, okay? You do have some extra space here where you can put cards here on the back. I don't keep anything on the outside. If someone gives me a business card, I would normally stick it on the outside. And but other than that, this has been working fine. You know, I am switching over to being more of a minimalist, so I try to carry as little cash as possible. So not having cash on me was the whole purpose of doing this. And it still holds up and works fine. The magnet is still strong. I still love setting this thing up many different ways that you can set it up. I don't keep always on display on, in case you all were wondering, but yeah, I don't do that at all. But so far, so good. No rips, no tears or anything like that on this at all. It will get a little dirty, of course, from being used. You know, it's not as clean on these sides as it used to be from grabbing it, holding it, and using it. But overall, I must say, man, this has worked out pretty well for me. I don't have a complaint with it at all, other than I wish they would give some elastic to the inside holders to where they would squeeze back tighter. Because like I said, once you put something on the inside of these wallets, like a couple of cards, it's gonna stay stretched that way. So if you try to go back, it won't wanna go back to before you did that. So just know that going in. But you do get this extra space where you can keep some cash if you wanted to on the back of this. Or sometimes I'll put cash in between right here and let it hold. But as you can see, it folds down pretty flat, right? Even with, I think I got 4 cards in there and a little bit of cash. So that's the way it would sit normally, right? And like I said, I love using it for all the different ways you can hold it. Now, when I'm using this, and I open it, right, regardless of which side I'm using it on, like I said, long as you keep what you started with in there, the cards are not gonna fall out. But if I were to pull one of the cards out that's on the side that holds 3 cards, then yeah, the other 2 are gonna fall out. So know that if you're gonna buy a inexpensive wallet like this is not an expensive MageSafe wallet. Just know that, okay, that you're not getting the top one. What I am thinking about doing is getting a Pelican case. They do offer a Pelican magnetic like wallet, but you can't stand, right? It's just a wallet on the back. It doesn't stand up at all in any direction. It's just like a Pelican case. It's just more secure for your cards or your cash or whatever you got on you. But so far, I like this. Like if there ever becomes a problem with this wallet, then I would opt to get something more like that. And the reason being is because, you know, I may start recording more video and using things like my portable SSD here to set on the back and record in ProRes and put some more video out in ProRes if I decide to do that. But for now, just using this wallet has been awesome, guys. So I'll give it a thumbs up for anybody who's thinking about getting a setup like this and you're looking to become more minimum, carry the least amount of cash as possible. You know, you're trying to keep things and stop developing bad habits of spending a lot of money. This works out great, no complaints. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.